What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with
Junior.
Wow, I'm surprised you jumped in there to
supposed
get
to
in
say
there.
that?
No, it's good. I like it. We got another episode of From the Gallery. This time, Taylor from the back that we made into one video, which you might have seen a little while ago. She picked 10 show trucks this time. So we're gonna go.
I'm used to 5.
We do 10 now, and we go
Oh,
rapid
man.
fire. So you
Oh.
look at it, look at the
no.
photos, pick a number, move on. Less
Okay.
explanation, more rating. We're getting more people through because everybody that wants to be in here, obviously, as you guys know,
Now. This is like more pressure on me.
you gotta add your vehicle to the gallery, customoffsets.com/ad. That's how you get them in here, blah, 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 blah. Let's jump into it. 2016 Ford F350, that's very maroon. Very maroon. Specialty Forge SF027, 26x16s, and some Furies, of course, because what show truck wouldn't be complete without 40x15.5 Furies? It's on a custom lift. 21 inches, combination of striker and PMF, custom built, and has wheel spacers larger than 2 inches front and rear. Oh, wowzers. It's pretty huge. Color match all of the things other than the back, because it's a platinum, so you gotta leave that platy
the tailgate
on there. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1,
12.
10. Yeah, 10 right off the bat. 12 is fine. I mean, I guess we can pick 12. Typically, we do a scale of 1 to 10,
I know
but
that
if you
one.
want to do 10, or 12, that's fine. So 1 with 10, because this thing is super, super clean. I love how the wheels tie into the whole build. He's got everything color matched, in which usually, like, you can overdo color match, but I think this one
perfect.
it
Absolutely
looks good.
perfect.
I'm not mad
The
about
only way it
anything.
could be any better is if it had the new body style like headlights. Just because I love the new body style headlights.
That's true.
But like,
But yeah, even though those are
for
color
what it
matched,
is,
they've,
right,
they've
it's
got some sweet projectors.
amazing. Yeah.
I dig it. Ooh, a little bit older, 2008 Dodge Ram 3500 Archon Crown Series Victories, 26x14s, negative 81 on those bad boys, and some 40x15.5 Furies again. Oh boy.
You can read all that?
It's custom pieced together using Top Gun's custom long arms and ladder bars, Atlas suspension leaf springs, FOA coilovers, rear Fox 2.0 external reservoir shocks, BDS track bar, along with more custom made components for the truck.
Couldn't even list all of it.
Yeah, and 2-inch spacers all the way around as well. So interesting thing here, Archon, obviously, as you know, does make red wheels. However, these are not those red wheels. These are custom painted because you got black caps in there, black removable ring.
Yeah, Evan got a little bit antsy with the wheels and couldn't wait the 2 more weeks for the red ones to come in, so he got the black ones and powder coated them. But he powder coated all the suspension to match, so it makes a little more sense to do it this way, personally.
So he's got a big hook on the back. He's got all his sponsors on the bed.
Don't you have to have a big hook when you have a Cummins?
You do have to. It's a requirement. It says so on page 13 of the owner's manual.
What it is?
And then he's got a big old front bumper on here. Is that a road armor? That's what it looks like.
With a winch, because he's going to do all the off-roadings.
Right. Dual steering stabilizer, cowl hood. Okay, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1,
9.
8. Well, with an 8 because of the front bumper.
You don't like it?
From the front, like front on, you just see so much tire.
Yeah.
I'm just not a huge fan of that look. I like it when it,
That's how all those like aftermarket front bumpers are.
because they
though,
just cut up so
right.
aggressively.
But it also makes it you can clear bigger tires. It's probably why he's got the 40x15.5s on there.
Well, because he's still running 2-inch spacers. So like, I mean, the truck's huge. It's absolutely massive. So I get it.
And he sat and built this thing with his dad, so that's pretty cool too.
Really?
Yeah.
This
Are
one's
these like
familiar.
all like giant SEMA builds? Or
Yeah,
what?
this whole. Did you miss that part in the beginning when I said that it's all
you say this
SEMA
part in the
builds?
beginning?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's all show trucks, all
Okay.
SEMA builds, SEMA type builds.
Yep.
2016 Chevy Tahoe, American Forces, 24x14s, and some Nitto Trail Grapplers on a 12-inch bulletproof. So you've probably heard of Scoop, SMG. I believe this is his wife's Tahoe.
Yep.
Everything is all the same color in that family, and I dig it. I think it looks sweet. It's got a massive drop pitch
Do you
on
like
here.
painter tape blue?
I actually do really like
Just
that
messing.
color. Sorry, jeez. Also, American Forces, but rather than a polish finish, these are actually like a brush finish,
yeah.
which I think looks pretty sweet on here too.
I like the system in the back.
Yeah, that's crazy. Looks like probably Wet Sounds speakers out back.
It seems like that's what
Sweet.
everybody's running is Wet Sounds.
If you don't have a wakeboard boat, you can still put them in your truck. Bodyguard bumpers. I mean, every part of this truck's been touched. I mean, there's not anything on here that isn't aftermarket. He's even got, you know, like the roof basket up top. He's got everything powder coated or painted to match.
The mirrors, those are the one thing that are probably
Ooh, look at
factory.
that. Yep, good call.
The
We're gonna have to
one
ding
thing.
him some points there. All right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
9.
10. 10 because 9.5. Because
9.5.
I love Tahoes. I think they look sweet. I love the brush finish. I love how all of the rest of the components that are silver on this truck still are the brush finish, so everything ties together really nice. But the front looks a little too tall for me as compared to the rear. There's a little bit of squat. I'd rather see a Tahoe sit level.
Is there squat? I
Yeah,
couldn't
there's,
tell.
There's some
little.
squat, yeah.
Oh, maybe. Because like this photo is obviously a wider photo, so it makes it
Right.
look super aggressive. But
I would say there's probably 2 inches.
see, the reason I gave it a 9 is just because it's like there's no shiny, because it's a matte blue wrap. It's brushed wheels. There's no shiny, no gloss, nothing that like obviously it pops because the color's insane
Right.
and the wheel color. It's like a different finish, but there's just no shiny for me. And yeah,
And like it goes without saying, like we appreciate everybody's builds on here, and this thing is still super bad in its own way. And if you're not trying to go for super shiny, well then you nailed it. You know, this is a old school. I guess it's not that old, but like you don't see a lot of like crazy builds done. 06 Chevy Silverado 1500, TS 544Cs, so the chrome TS 544, 26 by 14, massive. 37, 13.5 fuel mud grippers, which is pretty much like the only 26, 37 by 13.5 that's like available right now.
Oh, Fury's backward, isn't it?
Yep, it's like one of the only ones that you can actually
Depending on when you watch this video, sorry.
At this exact moment. Holy squat. I didn't realize it from the first photo.
Oh, now that you say it, look at the first photo again.
Yeah, but it didn't seem that bad.
Yeah.
We got a lot going on here. Oh, it's 2-wheel drive. I really like the color of the truck.
Gray?
Yeah, it just looks nice. Sorry, I like gray. Straight axle swap, notice that too up front. So it's 4-link. Oh yeah, now you can definitely see. There is, in fact, no front drive shaft.
It's a Bluetooth front drive
Yep.
shaft, haven't you heard?
I have heard about that. All right, you got enough for a number now?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1,
8.
7. Went with a 7 because he's got a Bluetooth drive shaft.
Yep, same. The rest of it's super well done. It'd be cool. I personally like a whole front bumper like painted to match. Obviously, he
Yes,
did like
that would look better as well. I agree.
Yeah.
And he still has. I always laugh about this when people take their front license plate off, but then they leave the little screws in.
Yeah.
Just take them out. Get the bumper color match. It'd be sweet. Even though he does have some other colors going on, it's nothing like too overwhelming.
Just ties it in.
Because a lot of people can go overboard if you got gray and polished and blue, but this looks okay. He did a pretty good job at it. Dark tint, nice window visor, newer like 2015 plus mirrors. I can get down with it. This is one of my favorite trucks. 2015 F250 Super Duty. I think we've done this one on here before. Fuel Forge FF 29s, 26 by 16s, and some 37 13.5s on a 14-inch PMF lift, silver and green. This was like what you were just saying in the chat the other day. It's like literally pick any truck, do clear headlights, paint to match everything, pick your accent color, clean build, super clean build. Which is like pretty much what's going on here.
Yeah. Wow.
Dark windshield, dark windows.
I love how you actually went through and like painted the axles too.
Yeah.
Like everything's
Everything is done. And that's like a chrome green.
Yeah.
All right. Got her?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
10.
11.
I was gonna do it, but you yelled at me last time.
Sorry, my show, my rules. One with 11 because, like I said, this is one of my favorite builds that I've seen in the gallery. Absolutely love it. Like simple when it comes to colors. I mean, silver, polished, and green, but it looks awesome. Those clear headlights, clear taillights.
I feel like personally, green can go wrong so quickly because a lot of people just like classy dip like lime green on everything as an accent, but like he did it right. He did it with like that anodized green with like that chrome base type of thing where it just really pops.
Kind of like that super chrome thing that you did. Yeah. Wow, this is just really big. It doesn't remind me of a SEMA build. 2016 Sierra 1500 hard rock, 24 by 14s, and 37 13.5 amps. 10-inch McGoys. Wow.
Double cab.
This thing's huge. Light bar behind the grill. It's got a dirt bike in the back. These mud flaps are intense. Look at those things.
They start like halfway up the fender.
Huge, huge.
Wow.
But they're on in some photos and not in others. Look at that.
They're giant.
Front and rear.
Oh.
Massive. Maybe he lives in a state where they really pick on him for that.
Probably.
So it's a McGoy 7 to 9, and then he's got a leveling kit on top of it. Plus some Rough Country Forged upper control arms, so he doesn't ruin his angles. 1.5-inch wheel spacers out back, just to flush up the kit. Otherwise, not really a ton done. I believe that's OEM color matched on these GMCs. Possibly the mirrors, but maybe not. Depends on which package you pick. Like I said, light bar behind the grill, wheels, tires, suspension.
I do like those wheels. Hard Rocks just like kind of came out of nowhere. I feel like it has a couple designs that are just really solid.
Well, and they're 24 by 14s, and they're less than $1,500.
Yeah.
Like, that's pretty sweet. All right, do you have a number?
I think so.
All right, 3, 2, 1, 8. The mud flaps kill it for me.
I want to see like a really good quality photo of them. Like I just want to understand what I'm even looking at.
Yeah, there's no like close-ups, so we can't really.
Because it's like mesh on top and then like a flap on the bottom. Like,
yeah. Remember that one time we kept getting pulled over in the Hummer, so we just 3M'd some sticky adhesive flaps on there?
Yes.
I mean, you never know. Could be a situation like that.
Whoa.
Okay.
What?
I've seen Toyota FJs. I have not seen one like this.
I got confused what I was looking at first because I didn't understand. I've never seen one like this before.
2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser, RVP forged, Thunder 24x14s, RVP tires as well, and it's custom 10-inch lift, because not many people out there make lift kits for these other than like a leveling kit or a 3 to 4 inch coilover kit, because people off-road FJs.
This is ready to off-road, don't you see my tires?
This is not ready to off-road, I would say. I mean, you probably could. He's got the big old Stinger bumper on the front. I love the color of the wheels.
Yeah.
It's the same color as the truck though, which is kind of like, I love the color of the wheels, but when it's the same as the truck, I think it's a little too much. But he's got like headlights and all that stuff done too. A lot of paint work and the custom Toyota emblem in the center. Light bar up top.
Are the light bars on the sides too? Like around the rack?
It's hard to tell. No, he's got like his shovel and recovery tools and a high lift jack.
See, he's ready to go overlanding.
Yeah, dual exhaust.
Jeez.
Okay, interesting. 1.25" wheel spacers all around. What else do we have? Oh, he's got wet sounds as well. So he's got sound bars, stealth sound bars on the roof. That's kind of cool. A lot of cubes.
A murder spork. He's not going off-roading, he's going murdering.
Oh, all right. I've never heard anybody call it that. And he's got a CB radio. Made sure to put that in the details. So he really does have like all the equipment you need.
He's ready for the apocalypse, but he's gonna do it in style.
Yes, I like it. All right, 3, 2, 1,
9.
8. Yep. It does look really sweet. I think I would rather see an FJ built for off-road purposes.
I know you would, yeah.
With a 17-inch wheel and some big old meaty tires.
See, I love this. I've never seen anything like this done before to one of these, and like the whole front end is just very modernized and like updated. And
I just also know like how slow the FJ was. When it comes to speed, they're not super fast.
So 40s on it's definitely not going to help.
They did make a TRD supercharger for these, so can get a little bit of power back there, but
it's just so unique.
It is very unique.
Super cool.
And I like that. I love when people do stuff that you don't expect, like stealth soundbars on the roof. That's a crazy idea.
Because why not?
I like it. This one's been on here too as well. 2005 Ford F-250 Super Duty, American Forces in some sweet gold color and 37 by 13.5 and a 12-inch striker off-road design.
It doesn't look that tall from that photo though.
Well, look at the front of it though.
Oh, now it looks tall.
Yeah. Overkill Fab on the grill. Got all the sponsors on the back.
Is this one actually SEMA build?
Well, I don't know. There's no pictures of it at SEMA, but there's pictures of it at the beach. So headlights done, bumpers.
Oh, I just realized this is the old front end.
Like he didn't actually swap it like everybody else does. Look at everything that's going on with the suspension.
Is that like quadruple
it's like,
shock stabilizers? What am I looking
I think
at?
it's
Are those
like
reservoirs?
double bypass reservoir, dual steering stabilizer, plus coilovers with extra shocks. I mean, he went all out. Is it all necessary?
We don't know, but it looks awesome.
We won't know. He's got a massive tip on here. It's like one of those squared off ones.
Yeah, I forget the name of them, but they do a lot of really cool stuff with their exhaust tips.
It's like a chrome gold wheel with billet style center caps and then the same chrome gold spike lug nuts. You don't see a lot of people build green trucks.
Gray?
It's green. It's definitely green. Green and gold. Green Bay Packers.
Oh, that is green. Oh, see that first photo looked gray. Uh-oh. Oh, and it's got the tan on that first photo like doesn't show any of that. Okay, I got it completely reanalyzed.
Oh my gosh, hurry up. We don't have time.
See this first, click on the first photo again though.
This one?
Yeah, it looks like the whole thing is just gray.
Oh.
And then bronzy gold wheels.
Yeah. But then it's two-tone, green, tan, and bronze / gold. I don't even know what to call that color.
Okay.
Man, that's a costly setup too. About $8,000 in wheels and tires.
And the majority of that's the wheels.
Yeah, $7,200 of it.
Yeah.
Crazy. All right. Got a number?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
7.
6.
Oh.
I almost feel bad saying 6.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna go to 6
because there's so much done to this truck, and it is sweet. It's just not the color combo for me.
And I think that's the thing is there's a lot of people who really like the two-tone, like Steve Stanton, who's in Team Stance.
I do like two-tone.
Okay,
but then we have these gold wheels that they aren't the same as a two-tone.
Yeah. Because there's people who like absolutely love it, and then they'll throw polished wheels because it'll be like the navy blue with like the tan stripe and the polished wheels. But still 3 colors though to me, which I think 2 is your safe bet. 3 is like if you do it right.
Yeah, but you gotta be careful.
And it's not like he did this wrong, because like there's so much done to it. Like even look at, are those shocks in the rear wheel wells?
Yeah.
Reservoirs?
He's got resis in the rear too.
Like he's just got everything done up and it's insane.
Yeah.
The color combo personally for me doesn't do it. But again, there's another truck that everything's been touched, you know, other than like the paint. Maybe the paint's been redone, but like the grills are done.
Oh, I'm sure
the whole
it has.
suspension's redone.
05 and it's this clean. Thing's sweet.
Still a beautiful truck.
2015 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, Hostile Strikers, Furies again.
Do like that color.
I haven't seen this color before.
I like it better on the Tacomas, I think, though.
Yeah.
The Tacoma's a little lighter, I think.
You must have wheel spacers because they're so wide that I believe I
You
can
could do a brake
see
job,
them from the front. Yep, bigger than 2 inches. It doesn't say what size, but bigger than 2. 9 inches in the front, 8 inches in the rear. Thanks to the FTS lift, major metal trimming, still rubs, but that's kind of what you get when you go this wide. He's got demon eyes. He doesn't have halos, so he gets points for not having halos. 3 years ago, halos were sweet. This year, not as cool. Yeah, they make kits so you can just swap out, put in whatever color you want, change it on your phone, that kind of stuff. All right, got a number?
Yep.
3, 2, 1,
9.
8. We've been picking like pretty close.
Yep.
All day here. Yeah, went with an 8. I don't
It's
really
not
have
like overdone.
Yeah, I don't have anything
But it's still,
bad to say about it really. There's just nothing that catches my eye, I guess, that I'm
You see
like,
it
wow.
rolling down the road, it'll catch your eye.
Yeah, but when we get to be picky and sit here and look at it,
Yeah.
you know, Monday morning quarterback everything.
Mm-hmm.
I like
the
this
sports reference.
Yeah, that's the one joke I know. I looked it up on the internet before it came.
Wow.
Yeah, the color's cool. I just, again, I don't really know if
Color
it's
doesn't
for
do
me.
Maybe if you saw it outside of a
when it's not
backdrop
on
that
another-
doesn't match to the same color.
Yeah, everything's tan in his
Yeah.
photos. That's crazy rap. 2017 Silverado 2500 RBPs. The Tri-Ace tires, 40 by 15.5 in the 12-inch Cognito.
I hear a lot of people saying they want those Tri-Ace tires, and I think they make some of those sizes that like other people don't have.
Yeah, and I believe they're pretty affordable as well. That's why a lot of people want them. I love these photos of it sliding around in the desert. I think that's sweet. This is obviously an RBP sponsored build. This is your SEMA truck.
Yeah.
He's got a lot going on in the bed too. He's got like the bed deck plus speakers. He's got the flagpole mounts.
Professional photo, professional photo, professional photo.
Cell phone
photo.
sideways. Those wheels are sweet.
Yeah.
I love that color, black and red. Not that black and red is crazy, but like.
Is
it
that a
just looks
cutout
really
there
nice.
then, or is that just painted black on the inside of every other spoke?
I think this is cut out. This is black.
And then the little like teardrop though right there, like there.
Hard to say.
There.
It almost looks like a like bladed piece.
Yeah.
Again, another truck where pretty much everything has been touched. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1,
10.
9. 10. Perfect.
Yeah.
Went with
What
the-
would you change about it?
I don't know. I just look at it and I think it looks like too similar to our Archon truck, which I know we built afterwards, but I don't know. It's just black and red. I think everybody does black and red.
Now you say that, black and red is a pretty common scheme, just because red's always been a popular.
Which
color.
like, okay, what am I gonna like pick on this truck for being black and red when we have a black and
Right.
red truck? I just think that there's other color choices out there, and I get really excited when people explore different options. So if you're trying to pick some colors for your truck and you're thinking black and red, take a second look at it.
But we're not telling you what to do because you can build it how you want.
Do whatever you want. You're gonna anyway.
Exactly.
That's it. That's all 10. So if you guys want your vehicle featured in an episode, it doesn't have to be a SEMA build. It doesn't have to be a show truck. We pick stuff all the time. Try to make some themes going on here. So add it at customoffices.com/add. That's how you get in there. Otherwise, if you guys don't know, the gallery is full of all of these specs so you can figure out exactly what fits on your vehicle. You just enter your make, model, and figure out what fits. Put it on. Do it in your garage. Do it at the shop. Do it wherever you want.
Like, share, subscribe on YouTube, youtube.com/CustomFitsTV.
Peace.